Welcome to our Getting Started with Remote Desktop Manager Jump. RDM Jump is a product that connects to a remote host, often called a jump box, service host, or a bastion server, which in turn is used to connect to other hosts. So it's like having a remote desktop session inside a remote desktop session. We like to call this Easy RDP and RDP. It could also work on any type of sessions like SSH, POTI, or VPN. This can be compared to a RD gateway from Microsoft or even to some extent to SSH port forwarding. The jump is performed through our RDM agent. You could use RDM jump to access a secure network through a single host, allowing you to have a strict firewall policy that only allows connections from a specific IP address, forcing you to connect to the jump host first and then to hop to a remote host. RDM jump could also be used to work around limitations of some VPN clients. In that case, you could have multiple virtual machines, each running a single VPN client. Using these virtual machines as jump box will allow you to connect to the virtual machine, launch a VPN client, and then the remote session. So let's start by creating an entry for our jump host. In the Edit menu, New Entry, let's create an RDP session. Let's enter the name of our session. We will call this one Jump Host, and in the computer field, enter the name of your computer. Enter the username, domain, and password. In the Jump Host side menu, we will enable the option Is Jump Host. Okay, so let's launch our Jump Host to see how it reacts. Now, you see it opens my session. All you need to have installed on it is RDM. So let's start RDM, and we will take this opportunity to make a few adjustments to the screen to have a better user interface experience. So let's change the window to full screen. Let's close down the navigation pane. You could also close down the top pane to really keep the whole content area for your session. To have your top pane appear again, simply do a right-click on the RDM icon and select Top Pane. And if you end up a little confused with the view, don't forget that you can always reset your view by going the menu Window, Reset Layout, and click OK. The jump command can be received by our RDM agent or by an RDM instance that is running. Let's click on Tools and click on RDM Agent. Now let's make sure that it is set on Auto Start. Let's go at the bottom right of your screen, right-click on the RDM agent, and make sure that it is set at Auto Start. Now that our RDM jump is set up, we can close it. Now I'll create another session and I'll configure the jump destination in it. To activate the jump host, simply click on the jump button. Now RDM jump could be inherited, meaning that it would inherit all the same setting as the one set in the parent folder, otherwise called your jump host, which right now is your jump server. Inherited will keep going up the ladder until it finds a jump host. You could also choose the session option and choose the session yourself. For example, we will choose our jump host session. So now let's start our Exchange server. Now you can see how our jump host can let you have session within session. Our Exchange server is in our jump host. Now, once you're done working on all your sessions in your jump host, all you have to do is close the jump host tab and it will close all of your session at the same time. Another feature of Remote Desktop Manager Jump is that it will show you the log. If you go in View Usage Log, you'll notice that it is not a log of the jump server itself, but more a log of Remote Desktop Manager. What the log does is that it actually brings back and centralizes all the information of what happened within the sessions. So if you use Jump, it will show you all that was done within Jump since it is part of RDM. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website or our forum.